At pagpatay na ako, sa aking hukay, isang luha lang ang mahalaga. A tear that is pure. Ang luha mo para sa akin. Because I'm your father, and you are my daughter. I want you to remember that, always.
I love you, Papa.
I love you too. Sorry, Antonio. Wala si Miss Osaita. Hindi kompletong board.
Thank you.
But her signature is really not that important. Ang importante, do a good job.
Thank you.
Don't worry, sir. I will.
Arthur? Oh. Arthur, hindi ko ata nakikita asawa mo. Sabihin mo sa kanya na makipagkita sa akin. I don't like the idea na hanggang ngayon ay wala pa kayong anak.
Don't worry, sir. I'll concentrate starting tonight.
You better. Baka maunahan ko pa kayo. Remember, I'm getting married soon. Mrs. Marsona, dito ka sa tabi ng asawa mo. Come here. This is an important moment in his life. Tony, you have a beautiful wife. You take care of her, huh?
Oh, I will.
A photographer.
Yes, sir.
Take her picture. Come on, girls, closer. Smile for posterity. Bilisan mo, I'm a young man in a hurry. Victoria, this is Arthur Papa. A very aggressive young business. Pagputi ng buhok nito, baka mas mayaman pa sa akin.
Maswerte kayo, Don Adolfo. This is very beautiful.
Thank you. Miss Tabora, cancel all my appointments for tomorrow. We're going horseback riding.
Pero mag-fitting si Victoria bukas.
Sabihin mo lang yung Christian agahan.
Okay.
Where's your wife?
She hates dressing up.
Mahal, your stepmother is coming. Wala namang gastos yun, babata ka pa.
Victoria, this is my youngest daughter, Sylvia.
Hello. Your father said you were lovely. Nagkamali siya. You're even lovelier.
Thank you.
I'm sure you remember Carol.
Oh, yes. Hello.
Don't drink too much. Don Basilio.
Oh,
I'd like you to meet Victoria.
how do you do?
Hello.
Victoria, this is my eldest daughter,
Hello.
Christy.
Hello. You look so much like your father.
I don't think so. Christy looks more like my late wife. This is my son-in-law, David.
Kahit kailan, kahit anong suot mo, bagay talaga sa'yo.
Thank you.
Victoria, would you like something to eat?
Uh-huh.
David, pakisamahan mo siya. I understand bukas ang fitting.
I know a place after the party. Pwede tayong pumunta doon. Very quiet place.
Ang dapat sa'yo, after the party, is to go home straight to your wife.
My wife believes in spiritual love, not physical.
Change it. Get drunk one night, and then... Legal yun. Asawa mo naman siya.
Bagay kayo ni Bigote.
Shut up.
Tutuloy mo ba?
Of course.
Pakiagahan mo lang, Christian.
Yes,
We'll be out
Si
of
Macy's hindi niyo kasama?
Naiwan sa bahay. Si Victoria maganda. Ngunit you're lovelier.
Tom Basilio talaga.
Alam mo, Iha, nung nabubuhay pang iyong mama, madalas niyang itanong sa akin kung sino ang mas mahal ko. Ikaw o siya. Ngayon wala na siya. At sana hindi niya ako naririnig. Aminin kong ikaw. At kahit sino pang dumating sa aking buhay, hindi magbabago yon. You'll always be first in my heart because you are a part of me. At pagpatay na ako sa aking hukay, isang luha lang ang mahalaga. A tear that is pure. Ang luha mo para sa akin. Because I'm your father and you are my daughter. I want you to remember that always.
I love you, Papa.
I love you too.